Dry fruits are a healthy and nutritious snack. When combined with honey, the combo makes a power-packed delicious treat. Making honey nuts is easy, but there is a right and wrong way to eat nuts. Ravneet Bhalla shares how to eat nuts the right way. Let's see here. To begin with, soak nuts along with raisins separately. Leave them soaking for at least 4 to 5 hours. Soaking helps improve nutrient absorption. There is a coating of anti-nutrients around nuts. Soaking breaks that barrier and makes nutrient absorption easier. Unless you soak nuts, it's no use to munch on nuts because your body will find it tough to absorb nutrients from them. You can use the soaked raisin water and never discard it as it is rich in prebiotic. And someone asked me for the recipe of prebiotic. This is one. Prebiotics are food for probiotic bacteria that helps in digestion, but you should discard the water in which you soak nuts. This water is dirty and has all the toxins that broke away from nuts during the soaking time. Now your nuts have become perfect for munching. But in order to make honey nuts, you need to dry nuts. First, clear away the water with a cloth, strain all nuts, and then shift them to a cloth to remove excess water. This makes the drying process a little easier. You may dry nuts either under the fan, in the sunlight, or in your air fryer. I have air fried nuts in my Prestige PAF 300 air fryer at the lowest temperature for 30 minutes, and the lowest setting temperature setting in my air fryer is 80 degrees Celsius. Please check if your nuts have dried and don't forget to shake and stir the nuts in between to make sure the heat spread is even and the nuts dry out evenly. Once dried, it's time to let them cool down before dropping them into a glass jar. First, add spices of choice. Here, I would like to mention that if you want to make roasted nuts, you may roast the nuts after they have dried. So, that will make even tastier, yummier, delicious roasted nuts and honey. So, now you will need to add spices of choice for flavor. Cinnamon, star anise, cloves, will make a flavor punch. But you can also add nigella seeds, and I love the flavor of nigella here. Nigella is one of the most aromatic spices around, and it is one of the healthiest spices to use, which is believed to be a potent weapon against numerous diseases. Nigella means kalonji. Some people call it onion seeds as well. Now alternate nuts and honey. Alternate one layer of nuts and another layer of honey. Fill the jar with this and then keep it covered. Shake the jar so that everything mix well and the honey coats the nuts. The honey nut combination is an immunity booster. It helps lower cholesterol. It is excellent for your skin health, improves vitality. It is rich in antioxidants, antibacterial, and anti inflammatory properties. It helps improve memory and prevents anemia because raisins help improve hemoglobin levels. It helps fight stress and insomnia as well. Now let the flavors infuse for a few days until the power-packed snack is ready for munching. 1 tablespoon of this honey nut combo makes a healthy treat. I hope you enjoy making this power-packed snack for Christmas and gifting it to your loved ones. Merry Christmas, enjoy and stay healthy. Take care, bye bye, see you soon, and don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. Take care, bye bye.